If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Lambrini and I'm a multimedia and abstract resin artist from Melbourne. In this video, I'll show you the swipe across technique, which is a super simple, super easy resin art technique that can get you some really cool effects. In the course, I go through 4 other techniques, as well as tips and tricks of the trade, safety and precautions, and absolutely everything you need to know about making resin art. I'll link the course details down below if you're interested further. Before I get stuck into the tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. If you're feeling extra generous, then you can leave a comment and tell me where you're from, and I'll promise to reply to every single comment. I really want to make some more videos like this for you guys, so that would be the ultimate motivation. And lastly, just a small disclaimer, please make sure that you're using the resin that you have correctly, and just look up the safe ways to use it before you start creating artworks. So the resin that I use is from the brand Just Resin, and in the video I'm just using their art resin. And at this point I've mixed the part A and part B together, and I've mixed a few different kinds of blues and some white that you'll see in the video. Let's get to it. So for this technique I decided to do a kind of beachscape inspired piece. You can see I've used a dark navy all the way down to a turquoise colour. The swipe across technique is when you use a piece of paper, or you can use other tools that you can pick up from art stores. Here I've just used a folded up newspaper, and you literally swipe across the resin. As you can see here, I've swiped it across in one continuous motion and on the horizontal side just to mix the blues together. I've then placed white on the bottom section of the artwork. I'm just folding up the magazine together and I'm pushing that white pigment across the other pigments there. What this does, it creates a really cool lacing effect. It can blend some of the colours underneath and can give your artwork a movement. Feel free to use your hands whenever you're painting with resin art. Because you're wearing the gloves, you're completely safe from it getting on your skin, and this is also a technique that I use to mix and blend the colours. Lastly, I've just added a touch of gold into some clear resin, and I'm spreading that around the piece for some final touches. Don't forget to use a flame torch to finish off your piece to get rid of the gas bubbles that are inside. This will leave a nice shiny coat on the top. I hope you guys enjoyed that super quick tutorial. As I said beforehand, it is a small outtake from my online course, The Complete Beginner's Guide to Resin Art. If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly insist that you check out the rest of the course on my website, and I'll link it down in the description below. I'll also link down all of my social links as well if you want to follow me there, and otherwise I hope you have a good day.